E sim, vamos descobrir que tipo de jogos as pessoas de Divar gostavam de jogar e ainda jogam.
We engross in sports. Our days compared to now, our most of the time we engross in sports. We used to go and play table tennis wherever we get a small time. We used to come from the boarding. We used to play table tennis. I played all the game, hockey, football. These were our favorite games.
Usually football, kabaddi, and then koineball. I don't know if you know what is that. Danda, something that they call it. Kidki danda.
And then we used to play marbles also, the marble. Yeah, so that's
playing all kinds of games made with wild seeds and stones and sticks and well, I can, we were like Mother Nature's children there, and so well provided by nature that I think we almost sort of lived in a fairy tale. It was like a dream world, which was not a dream, but it was real.
Lady of Kaiti, or Piedad, not the senior, the Piedad. Then the other one is Samachi. That one was Malar. And the other one is Holy Spirit Church. That's in Narva.
for years together. Maybe this church is 200 or more than 200 years old.
Nosso Senhor da Piedra, que a compaixão da Nossa Senhora, da Mãe de Deus, a compaixão, piedade, compaixão, amor, todos estes sentimentos da Mãe, né? Piedade e compaixão. Esta igreja foi construída em 1625 por Rui Dias da Silveira, de Évora, Portugal, que era capitão do pasto de Narva, em Narva. Mas na ilha de Divar, a igreja mais antiga, parece que é a igreja de São Matias, que foi construída entre 1590 e 1597. E a terceira igreja de Narva é do século XVII.
These people, like, from Goldi and Navani, people used to attend all the services in Piedad Church. Whereas Malar people used to go to Samatia Church. And Narva people used to go to Holy Spirit Church.
3 paróquias que estão na ilha de Divar, esta é mais grande, Piedade. A população de Divar é quase 4 mil pessoas, população católica, digo. Quando temos festa, etc., ali, temos capela do Redentor, sim, gente de outras religiões também vem ali. Há muita harmonia entre os hindus cristãos, poucos muçulmanos aqui em Divar, mas muita harmonia, casas, nós vamos para as festas deles, né? Boas relações, good relation.
The relation was very nice. It's a very cordial relationship between Hindus, Muslims, Catholics, or any other community. Nobody went to somebody else's religious thing and all that. We all joined together, like for Ganesh. All Christians and Hindus, everybody should follow the Ganesh, immersion and all that. We should go from house to house.
देवळां खापरी रोवणां आशिल्लो पिसो रोवणां अशें खूब देवळां आशिल्लीं सगळीं हीं हांगा तळी सकयल आशिल्ली ती वटच्यान सगळीं तीं देवळां मोडून सगळीं काबार केलीं म्हाका दिसता आनीक म्हाका दिसता आतां 16 आसा न्ही म्हाका दिसता 40च्या वयर आशिल्लीं देवळां देवाडे मायज रामपुरूस आनी कितें लोक सगळे सांगूंक पसून नको आतां सद्या
हांगासून ते खांडेपारा गेले म्हणटा ते भाटावटीच्या वेळार आनी त्या नंतर खांडोळी स्थापना केली थंयच्यान ते काही कारणान ते लोकांनी एकटे जावन थंयसर हाडले ताका खंयचे अडचण येयलो ते लोकांकूच खबर आनी त्या टायमार देवाकूच खंयचे बसपाचें आहा ते ताका देवाकूच खबर आपूण खंय बसचें म्हणून आनी त्या नंतर हांगासरले लोक आसा ते सगळे थंय वचून देवाचो भेट घेवपाचो सगळें घेवप हे म्हणजे उत्तरी दिशा जाता उत्तरीक अशी गणपती केन्ना बसना एक आमचे हिंदूचे हितून उत्तराचेर तेणें शीर मारून हाडून ताका बसयले आहा पार्वतीन न्हाताना तेन्ना गणपतीचो स्टॅच्यू करून मुर्ती करून ताका एक सत्व दिवन ती गेल्ली न्हांवपाक आपूण येयसर तूं हे जाग्यार रावंक जाय म्हणून म्हणजे भितर कोणाक एंट्रन्स दिवंक जायना म्हणून कैलासगिरीचो ह्यो म्हणजे पुराणाच्या हितून मागीर जेन्ना ते गणपतीचेर तेणें महादेवान तिडक्यान ते शीर कापलेलें आसा म्हणून एक हें आसा ताका कथा आसा तेजेर जेन्ना तेणें कितें केलो ईश्वरान न्ही ती येयले म्हणटकूच ती एक सांगूंक लागलें न्हू महादेवा म्हणलें आपल्याच्या भुरग्यांक तूं मारलो आतां ताका एक जागो दिवंक जाय म्हणून तेन्ना तेणें कितें सांगलो महादेवान आपल्याचो गणाक आपयलो आनी उत्तर दिशेचे जो प्राणी आसूं मनीस आसूं तेजे आसा ते तेजें शीर काडून हाडा म्हणून उत्तरे दिशेन म्हणटकूच हातीचे गावले हातीचे शीर हाडून गणपती बसयले गणपती बसयलो तेन्ना गणपतीच्यो शुंडी अशें
ताका लागून आतां माकड बिकड येतात नाजाल्यार माकड सुद्दां हांगा नाशिल्लो देवाची
This during my childhood I couldn't see a single monkey, and they've all come. They say through this Konkan railway bridge because there is no connecting, no, the other places. It has come only.
लोक केन्ना बेश्टो भियेतालो हें तें सुपेत दिसोन तेन्ना बँक जायता की भुरग्यांक दाड येता देवतार येता अशें म्हण भुरग्यांक बेंगळे येताले आतां हे पोतेकारांक बेंगळे येता आतांची भुरगीं पोतेकारांक बी येता क्रिसमस फादर जाल्यार उमकें ना सांगतात आतां भुरगीं येदी शिळूक आमगेर हातीं बसून फूट मारूंक जायना
Banyan god, I don't know what his name actually, they say guards the whole village from devastation, then cyclones, floods and all that. Even here we had that. Near the church we still have got that. But now nobody is interested in worshipping that banyan tree.
म्हणजे आमकां मूळ हांगासर एक देवाचो जाग आसा म्हणजे 3 व्हड आहा न्ही एक 3 व्हड अशें रोखडे मेळना ब्रह्म विष्णू महेश्वर सारको एक 3 व्हड आहा
3 व्हड आसा
ब्रह्म विष्णू महेश्वर म्हणटा तशें 3 व्हड आहा म्हणटकूच हे जागृत देवस्थान म्हणून हे मात खरें
Schooling and all is not a problem for us because here English medium is also available. So up till 10th it is there. For higher education we have to go to Panjim.
But the only problem, like some of the people, they prefer to put in Panjim because this is the Konkani medium school. They find it still, though we are native, because of the script. Maybe that is the reason they prefer to put in Panjim schools. There are few English schools. Many of them are going to the English medium school.
Transport is actually only about the ferry. Actually, we wanted a bridge, but somebody was saying people of Viva don't want a bridge because they say robbers are coming on the beach running.
this place is very quiet. If you compare to the other places, it's not noisy. People like, the cool atmosphere. It's not noisy and things. So many people, I do see people coming.
Portuguese people used to be very friendly. Mix up with us and all that. Very friendly. Because we had a garrison here in Old Goa. Some of our boys used to go there to eat. Poor people, they should go there. They learned some Portuguese from them, and then some of them married also. In here, Diwar also, we got married to two girls were married. And they are in Portugal with their children and all that. I'm saying, but there was no, hardship, there was no hard feeling, ill feeling amongst us. Because Portuguese, I don't know, it's like that, because our culture itself is like Portuguese culture. Goan culture is like Portuguese culture. Because, we have got everything, East and West mixed together.
Espero que tenham gostado desta viagem pela ilha de Divar, onde as pessoas ainda vivem em paz e harmonia com a natureza. E eu cá estarei, como sempre, daqui a 15 dias para mais um Contacto Goa. Este programa é patrocinado por Centro Cultural Comunicar.